Hello guys, welcome to Ego IFX. In today's video, I want to share with you a very powerful entry that you can use that can help you make good money. All right, guys, if you're new here, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel. All right, so I'm on a daily time frame and I'm on Euro JPY. So what you can say is that this market is on an upward trend. All right, so definitely I'll be more interested in buys than in sells. Okay, so what I can see here is that every time the market touch here, it goes up, touches here, it goes up, came down, touch here, it goes up, and then came down, touch here, and then it goes up. So what I'm looking for is something like this. Let me first of all delete this one so that at least we can be able to remove to see it clearly. All right, so these are very fantastic strategy that you can use and is going to really help you make good money. Okay, so I'm looking for something. There's a particular pattern here. All right, let me show you something. So this market is doing this, it's doing this, then this way, like that, right? So we buy here and here and here and here. So you see that it is creating something like this, then here it creates something like this, then here it creates something like this, then here it creates something like this. All right, so what we are going to do is that it goes up, then it comes down, okay, then it creates something like a flag. So we are going to wait for it to break, then retest, right, and then up. Then we are going to enter our buy here and put our stop loss just somewhere around here, and we are going to target 3 or 5. All right, so what am I going to be looking for here? I'm going to either be looking for either a pin bar, or I'm going to look at a bullish engulfing. All right, yeah, so let's go straight into it, and then we see if we are going to find something. So we're on a daily time frame, and you can see that the market is on upward trend, so waiting for it to come down here then before I enter my buy. All right, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. It's going to work very well on a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so what can I see here on the 4-hour time frame? You can see that like what I was trying to describe, you can see this market goes, it forms this, then there's a break, goes up, then it forms this, then there's a break, goes up, forms this, there's a break, then this, there's a break, and then here it has come all the way, it has formed this. So I'm waiting for a break and retest before I can enter my buy. I can buy. Right, good. So let me draw my trend line here. So let me draw my trend line. My trend line is going to be here, like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just cater for the place with the most touches. All right, something like that. And then I'll come down here, come here, and then I'll draw another one here, because one thing I've observed is that every time the market touches that, every time the market touches here, it is pushed to the down. I'll push this one aside a bit. Every time the market touches up here, it was pushed down, came back to touch here again, it has been taken down. So I'm waiting for it to break. Okay, and then you can draw your zone here, you can draw your zone there like that, you can draw your zone like that. All right, good. So let's wait and let's see how it's going to behave. So let's play and see. Let's play it and see. Okay, right, let me extend this a bit. So we can even delete this one. So what you can see is that the market touched here and pushed down, touched here and pushed down. Then now the market has been able to break. So I'm waiting for a retest, and then I can enter my long position. All right. So let me zoom this. So I can draw another zone here. And then you can see that it obeyed here. Okay, you can see that the market used this as a support to go up, then it has come here again, so you can see several touches there. All right, there are several touches from that support here, and then this is our resistance. Okay, so and then here also I see another sort of like a zone here, and draw it here that way. Let's change the color to this. Okay, great. So let's see how it's going to play out. All right, let me show you guys. You could have entered here also. Because this formed like a sort of like a double bottom, and then there was this pin bar. Now this pin bar, it can either be blue or it can be red. It doesn't matter. So you can see that there's a rejection here. You could have actually entered your long position here, right? Then put your stop loss just below, then maybe target, you could have actually entered here, then put your stop loss down there, right? Then target 3 times. So let's say risking 1% to make 3%. All right, so that's our 3% there. So that is it. You could have done that, but now that's not what I'm here to buy. We are just going to leave it there and see. So let me first of all delete it, and then we are going to do it. So you can see that I'm waiting for this market to come down and then go up this way. So let's play it and see how it goes. All right, very good. So you could have actually, you can enter here. Here it looks like you can see a very strong rejection here. So you can enter either here, right? Put your stop loss just below there, and then target maybe this place here. That's around 6 times. Okay, target 6 times there, right? So you enter down here, then you put your stop loss just below, then you target 6 times. So let's see how the market played out. And then okay, let's see that. If you extend that, you can see that it hit our full TP, or if it hit our full 6 times. All right, so you see you entered here, immediately this candlestick closed here, you entered, and then you targeted maybe 6 times. You can target 3 times, but you can target, I was trying to target this zone here. So we entered here, and you can see that the market went up and up and up and up and up until, so that was 6 times. All right, so let's assume that let's delete this. Let's assume that you entered at the close. I mean, you did not enter here, you waited for this bullish engulfing, and then you've entered there, then put your stop loss just below there, the recent low, and then maybe targeted 3 times. 3 times. 3 times, yeah. You can see that even with that one, it still went all the way up to here. The market went, you see now, you did not enter the close of this, you actually entered when you saw this strong bullish engulfing. So you entered here at the close of this candlestick, then you targeted how many? You targeted 3 times. So you can see that the market went and went and went, and it hit the full TP. So these are very, very powerful strategy, guys. What was I looking for? This was a line. The market was behaving this way. So I was waiting for it to break, then come and test this place, and then before it can go up to this time here. And I was not just waiting for this. I was either looking for something like of the sort, either a pin bar, forgive my drawing skills, either I was looking for a pin bar like that, let's assume that's a pin bar, or even if it's looking up, it still doesn't matter, a pin bar like that. Or it could be maybe you are looking for a strong bullish engulfing, then you enter the market there. So guys, that's the strategy I was talking about. You can use it. Always look for wait for a break, and then you see the problem with entering at the break is that maybe if you entered here, you could have put your stop loss here. You can see that you could have been smashed out by this. So you wait for it to break, come and test, and then you either enter at the close of this or at the close of this bullish engulfing, and then you target 3 times and see that it hit your full TP. All right, guys. So that was a simple strategy that I wanted to share with you guys. Remember to like, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, we have a free Telegram group whereby we share profitable signals. And also, if you want to join our VIP, we have it. You can get the link on the description below. All right, guys. Thank you so much. This is Eagle Eye FX, your mentors, signing out.